So this is part 2 of my discussion about an individual who has been involved in targeting me and was participating in smear campaigns. So in the first part, I shared screenshots showing how others had caught this person copying and stealing content from others. And one person even pointed out that she was repeating words from private conversations, which is an experience that I can relate to due to my own encounters of gang stalking. So I also explained why I do not trust this person. So I have noticed that some of the messages she spreads as prophecies align suspiciously with the systematic, premeditated narratives pushed by a group of bullies who are against me. So at the same time that I was enduring satanic ritual abuse, she was also publicly sharing similar messages as if it was mirroring to my experiences. As I have already demonstrated with, I think, substantial evidence, I have exposed the tactics they used to steal from me in real time while they're doing it to me. So this is what I call destiny thieving. And ironically, this same person is also putting out messages out there about destiny thieves. So this is why I'm sharing a part 2, because I want to document the most recent manipulations and deceit I have experienced from this group of people. So recently, there was a tarot reader attempted to misrepresent my actions by portraying me as a hyper-competitive individual. However, if you know the real story, this was never about competition. It has always been about seeking justice and speaking out against injustice. So the manipulation lies in the narrative they are pushing, claiming that that is just one of them. one of their lies. That I was being ostracized for being hyper-competitive, when in reality, they were trying to portray me as a hyper-competitive to ostracize me. So during that tarot reading, I noticed a commenter who posted a finger-pointing emoji. So out of curiosity, I checked his profile, where he openly identified himself as an Atlanta wizard. So seeing this, I responded by asking, "Are you a wizard?" So if you have followed my previous posts and videos, you already know that I have been vocal about being against witches and wizards. Actually, not me against them, it's them against me. And it's clear that it's witches and warlocks who are targeting me. Now, how is Stephanie relevant to all of this? So take a look at what she recently produced. She recently produced about a content about a wizard, and most likely her experiences against those wizards. But you have to understand and consider the timing of this reading and her message. Can you see the mirroring? So there's also another content creator who has been strongly opposed to Stephanie. So this person claimed that while Stephanie wrote a book about spiritual warfare, she was actually the very evil she described in it. So the person opposing her was saying she's just the evil that she speaks about because she did that to that opposer. So isn't this incident familiar? The technique that she's done to these people was the same technique that this group of liars done to me. In watching my previous videos, this will elaborate more of what they did. And the star readers will create a narrative, an illusion that they themselves do to the target. But in their stories, it was the target that is the villain. So reflecting on my past experiences, I have noticed a pattern. The majority of people who have come up against me have been tarot readers who act as flying monkeys. And it is important to note that Stephanie herself is a former tarot reader. Maybe not former. So the person who spoke out against her was adamant in stating that she's part of a coven. And while I cannot confirm the claims others make about this person, what I can do is share what I have personally experienced and observed regarding this individual. And one thing is absolutely clear, and backed by all the evidence I have provided, I have been targeted and attacked by a coven of witches or warlocks. So the real-time evidence I have gathered speaks for itself. Something a fraudulent person could never replicate.